I was a Captain Koja Smart, any Ghana TikTokers, about clash with Mahama after say IMF, International Monetary Fund, ebe expose womu, ebe expose Mahama, any Bank of Ghana, ebe chile dollar no ahwade eba from city cost no IMF ebe expose Mahama, any Bank of Ghana, ayemu no, ana Captain Smart, any TikTokers, omo abe clash with Mahama pa eke can be chile opana. Mema on chile no chile wadwe amame. Ewa comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Mess what need you. Obe like video no that my subscribe button so number click notification icon for latest update. Number chile wadwe ndi amame. Ewa comment section. Mess what so baswa. No achieve them for enya bi ahwe. And the quick one. Let's go back a little bit. Obe ke edeko fa betena kunya 2017. 7th January 2017. From there no, o ti manage economy no. Na dollar enkosoro. Ejina economy no we stabilize. Na nema bo no. Entumu nhyɛ da ma. What I say? Obi beto say be nipa bi on the ono ano na ni brade e no no atutu ni makopem faso boom kopem faso ma abro and ni nipa kon obo. But Ekufuor was able to stabilize it because the whole of 2017 wanye bosia was able to use their resources na ye wo no etimi running on mine no wanye bosia e ma ye kakra say ade no o say tuya kakra otuya otigana ye kasubi 2017 2018 na economy da sujina 2019 economy da so in 2019 mo no it was a graphic online. A reporter said Bank of Ghana, which is a central bank, is planning to inject $800 million to the Ghana's economy just to support the strength of the cedi against the dollar because it's ikabo anymore. Ebuama, yes, can be now against foreign currency. Emu, anyone say Ato Forson, and or finance minister no. Obe lampa say go for the government as we must munyai. Go for the nyahwe. Dollar na cedi na nya hoden over the dollar ne any economy na stabilizing or more din bia na mom no Bank of Ghana and inject sika ecosystem ni mu eno na aboama economy na stabilize the government asa de onye hwe.
Surprise that in the minister's statement he failed to alert all of us that he has encouraged the Bank of Ghana to print new money worth 22 billion Ghana cedis, only for us to see it in this document. And you can see it in the media review document, page 97, appendix 2A. And the Bank of Ghana, they have printed 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis. 22 billion and 48 million Ghana cedis, new money that they have printed, without approval of Parliament, without informing all of us. This is illegal. It is against the Bank of Ghana Act. And I want to urge the governor of the central bank that he has engaged in an illegality. Gross illegality. And in future, if he is asked to print money, he should first come to Parliament first, before he acts. But in the meantime, I'm surprised that our minister responsible for finance failed to talk about it. So what he did today is a nullity. He should come back again and deliver a new media review. Because this is material. It is, in fact, perversive. For a minister to omit the fact that they have taken 22 billion Ghana cedis from the central bank is perversive. I cannot accept it. It is scandalous, and he should have, at least as part of his statement, mentioned to us. Apparently, it is hidden in the appendix 3A. So if you do not have an eye or you don't have a spectacle like I have, then it means you will see it. Appendix 2A. I am saddened.
Onya hwe ama Mahama kura be kan bi a wakaje go fare say go fare nya de oye goes sika na what to go ma animu no o abro it onye careful na onya say all to sika gu one Bank of Ghana to sika gu economy just to stabilize the economy onya say ade no. It is over year 2024 na ND's arena power. ND's winning ye. Ned Mahama etena konya so. May mu na $100 start air from. It within 1 month. Dollar so till who from 15.75 to 10.3. Dollar take from drastically. Man, I'm focus dollar sales are there because ye engage in any export via any exportation via anti deba their pan cost went no. Dollar to who we going to say we see can be then abra who engage in more exportation. But Ghana no engage in any exportation, quite importation. But still, still what do about the dollar? What does it maybe enter because we a fake, a one a then a fake, and then a whole lot of story. but ebi so Ato is forcing, ebi so Ato abo adwuma, Ato is forcing any ade man no Captain Smart ebi that question say Mahama mamu dollar nkwan na ade aba from na even dollar na aba from kwan ye hu so eti emu nkyeremu ne say
but what way apart from say dollar come from by 10 cedis say 1044 no what next? John, I am telling you today, Mupa Munjindi, Mupa Munyahe, present a beer ni Yasimuha, or ye Juma Party and this about power, and Jimmy.
He is smart. He is the best. Captain Smart is.
What I say? Ye so eti emu nkyeremu say. I was say enra. Me bro up is I got to say IMF or International Monetary Fund. O mamba mubi. I'm one by send warning to Bank of Ghana say Bank of Ghana enya say what no ho awura dollar cedi rate rise all to tikagu Ghana economy no all to tikagu say bia dollar no ahoden sem no ebe ba form na cedi benya ahoden IMF ebe warning Bank of Ghana emu ana say ema ya twen ya bi say just say there and this Bank of Ghana ni etimi research no this is what I got yede end this etina konwa so 7th January 2025 no exactly 10th January 2025 and a Bank of Ghana injected $2.8 billion egu Ghana economy no cool lie o man kan o man hu de am obi anti cool lie o mo injected $2.8 billion se o mo yen se bia cedi na hoden cedi benya ahoden enya no nko a memu 6 May o mo say injected another $490 million $490 million enya no nko a July eno achi July ye 15th July eno mi injected another $1.4 billion $1.4 billion that's a first quarter of 2025 no Oma injected over $5 billion to the Ghana's economy that's eno na abo ma cedi na benya hoden over the dollar Emma IMF ever send a warning to Bank of Ghana say onya say onya de oye say what to sika gum all to sika gum onya to the Bank of Ghana jed munyam Emma NDC government time na IMF added that warning no Emma Bank of Ghana no not dollar to cedi no dollar added 10 cedis 30 pesos right after say IMF added one and the buyer say expose to ate emo bia hu the Bank of Ghana no see a dollar as a cost dollar akodu 11 cedis 16 pesos every day dollar is in constant appreciation against the cedi na eno ana media one guy say let's say na monday tiga na hechechen just nka IMF amemu a kamo aye fragadam ene mu nsumai media so why keep achire Mahama ene Bank of Ghana edis government nyina
Yes, Ghana for any hurry dollar ni cedi ni tokwa no any hurry Ghana for me say dollar ni cedi no umdi aboy ni din ama say $1 no enam 11 cedis Ghana for enam 11 cedis yo where bank yo na go do aboti for no ho de a empimanim Ghana for na me say August cry yo me kwa enam 11 cedis yo na bedu December December na ne aduade fuo no ne omo kokwan so no obi ahia dollar ni bi no ede akokwan so Ghana for me say ebenam be 10 billion yes $1 no ebenam be 10 billion e say ye so mo say aban papa aba ye tie the aban papa no what the Ghana for be dey ekwa kosie eti Ghana for se mo de me ya adua me se na de mo nsa ye dey back maso yes from sa back maso man ya mu wi bia prasa na mo se me so ye dey afore na masa atrase si ya dollar ibu afu ya what see this all born left and right here 2028 still possible yes still possible Ghana for na mo shama me yes and ehuroi cedi ni dollar in tokwai and ehuroi mo shama me
abusuya dollar enenam 11 cedis na dollar same way no me mpese meka bi die ntia me mpese meka dollar same way bi ne se NDC aban wo munim de omo ye ntia ama dollar no omo buy na within short period dollar no e call from say and a reality no I started expose omo na asemba akwa me pese meka ene say uhu video ya share ma abrochire ni bia say yenuan mo wa abrochire omo ye powerful because say dollar sem ne be for ma omo ka ho Could you believe say ye to aba wie ye a ye nuanom omo wa brochire ka say sika pa de sika say Ghana for entie wo mo na makoto abasa de ama John Mahama say onsan bra bi ma sika pa de sika say on be send bi abakrum an be yedene and it's affecting us affecting Ghana economy because me no ka say obi wo hwa ye project e wo Ghana yes dollar akofom enti no je say ono ba bi owo no osisa sika bebre na ode aba hansa na otimi ade oye of which ode ba kromu hanom no ade na wo todo so no ebo ne nteye enti ama omu nyina agya sika sende afi omo se omu nuama omu tu mu fo se hwe na mankoto aba ama John Mahama a mo sa akoto ma ndisi aban no nti no eno kura na aku omo kro omo so omo nsan sende scamba because omo no omo tu kwan omo kohunu enioma papa e wa bruchire na omo ko ho no mahu se NPP aban ne aban a na sa nimdie no sa suahunu no odi biba Ghana ba Ghana for se yempe yensan kofa John Mahama nkokon nkete mbra enu nti ahwe mabufuo ama omo nso nsani scamba and affect ye unim say in the year 2024 Kufuado obefri aban mu no na yenuanom sika nko omo de afri amano ne de abewura account ni around $11 billion na yebusa say Ghana economy say just 1 year pe na wo $11 billion aya pompe anasa abrochire for the ababewura wa economy mu a e de na enyema enu ntina say omo se omo buafu omo nsende en efa ba bi meto omase because omo nim de ye e na omo ka kire ye na yesi ye ntie say dollar na duru 11 ye de ye mompa ye say dollar ne nkosoro na mum reality na be kan ya asema maye en minim say dollar ne nkosoro ye nuanom akuafo a NDC for promise omo say omo bombeto koko 6,000 7,000 dollar no cost ro mbenya sa price because omo de 1.28 per buy ni e ka ho asem NDC for say dollar no e na affect koko price nti ye hwe omo nti abusia dollar 11 cedis no e no kura no men kai the last time obi see okọ bank wonya dollar toy wa wo say okọ bank wonya dollar toy free NDC buy no mami hu obi anu a wonya bi ato bank I just say abochifo nso ko hwa 14 15 yankopon hyae se ye to abapa e ma John Mahama ni mpire nu so
abusanfo mema obi biara good afternoon megide se de ado obi ahoye enche bia na NDC ebeye dedegu yasun Ato is forcing because say almost dollar about 10.3 but yenina ye be di dance say dollar na about 10.3 no and reflecting in the economy and reflecting in our pockets uko kroma say de woto wo niema no saa na woto no niema boa amba fom ya nte hwe su odwom aduane boa ya nte so bibia ye koto ye de koto bia ya nte so dollar ba fom you be call Bank of Ghana rate so 10.3 oko banks are unya dollar but oko abuchi wa ba ko to na 12 cedis 13 cedis abusa for ye hu kan ye na NDT for e be di atem so ye nja ya asem na ye ade a ye ntimi anya ya omo aba be ye no enu ntina ye ka ho asem Bank of Ghana ebe ma NDC abai warning said dollar na omudi yesika stabilize no munjai as of January to March omudi 1.4 billion na a share dollar nim na omoye krampo na nka eso ba mfaso krampo a ebusiafo nka enye ya o omoye no eso amma mfaso bia ene from asset ene omudi 4 billion na ashe dollar nim artificial dollar omo de 4 billion na ashe e wa bra omo nim se Ghana yakọ IMF akọji 3 billion na nka adenti na mo mfa sa sika no enko twia ye ka a ye de IMF mo de 4 billion e share dollar yi mu eso amma mfa so yante niema so omo use dollar e de ye omo adwuma no omo nya dollar mfa nyi endi omo dwuma and reflecting in our economy and reflecting in our pockets. But like 4 billion now, mo de share dollar nim no. Come bet me dia ye bibi ama Ghana nyina ya benefit ene Accra to Kumasi kwan ena enkofo wu day in and day out enkofo wu day in and day out kamo fa sa 4 billion no mo de share dollar nim no kamo fa nya Accra Kumasi kwan kamo fa sa 4 billion no enye bibia oman mu nyina be benefit. As when I'm saying NDC for, omunie ni swadi hunu, and I'm saying NDC for, omo lucky ideas, omo lucky innovation, omo kukuru 4 billion, edi a set dollar man, a swan man for so. Bank of IMF, ababa NDC for warning, says, I see kana omo de set dollar ni omunjai. Yes, sir, a bit breaky ye Ghana ye completely. Ebusiafo omuja ye be 3 days ni on se de bia ye dollar bo kosoro omuja ye 3 days ni dollar eba 10.8 and eba 10.9 ene 11 cedis ko adena NDC for mo pay for the optics na mo ka se mo deceive why pa na mo fo se mo deceive no Ghana for ye who catch them na 8 months pemponi na niema Ghana ha niema ya trokanye bibia nkoso bibia ye basa NDC aban omode meko be hye ye ni ase omode meko be hye ye ni ase na omode hye ye ni ase wi a ye ni beda ho next time ye koto aba ye be to ma obi a owo intelligence no owo innovative ideas a obetimi abeboa Ghana obetimi abeboa Ghana na yebe who the true colors of the NDC enu se omo 4 years ne nkwan wiye no yebe who the true colors of the NDC
akweti amai akweti akoko akuafo by election edro akweti gold miners enkrofo na mo betom gold no 8,000 instead of 12,000 almost ababium Africa the city no city na esikwan so oni ho sembo e be communica ai se o ma me ewu na so wada ponche hu ade be won tenten musa si anto abama mo akwetiafo me se mo ma mo ni nda ho me kire mo ade ya mo mfa o mo mfa city no is abochi kwa power ade na ekoso me se aboba me mo fam kwa asem femi so ko nya propaganda so no me e fact down akwetiafo mamo nya mistake sankofa monkofa mo MPP na asem fa na asem ko bebia
abusiafo one post na da hono mo no ai aye Bank of Ghana ana dia abase se dollar no kosoro dollar no se uchu mu ten eni abetene koye pa dollar no kosoro na emprempi no ayana menti ase se wo opposition na se wo ye propaganda sa na ka ubenya tumi a anka se wonya tumi ni wi akoso ye propaganda biem na se enye ye nuanom NDC fo onwenya tumi na wie de troda da Ghana fo ma Ghana fo ato abana ma wo amwenya tumi na wie still omguso ye propaganda me no kasai yenua bi oya NDC ni be ka che Ghana fo nyina se monkwase $1 because by June dollar be ko 4 cedis se ye wo August mu kwa akowura September mu se dollar na omo se yenkwase sa na ye hye ma me no mu dwadifo ma se omo nti wo omo niam so esan se ya ti dollar so no se dollar no ubenya dollar ta age se 14 cedis 13 cedis because abochi na wobie Bank of Ghana ukwo ono mu a unya bank si awodo unya abochi ana wobie eti abochi se medeji 14 cedis medeji 13 cedis ya wo wasam ka uhia ti ubeto eti mu share ma dwadifo no na mu nwura Ghana fo no mu dollar ni bia mu de yo mu business no mu dim nika kwose san ye na dollar yi ese kwosuri o mampani ni busawo supreme leader be mena owura ni manyamfo yi wadawro ma Be ma ye bo din a na pressifo tata ye wada roma etu be ye ne dan mo bo te say o man na yesra mo because 10 cedis ne kura no na ye hu so na mo sadi ko 13 cedis ne 14 cedis de ene ibu ye be wu
Ubetu achare wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Akra.